Vechain has given us a very aggressive bounce to the upside, managing to break above key areas of resistances, flipping them back into support in a move that has now given us a high above the $0.2985. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a corrective structure to the lower side. And on today's video, I will be discussing the significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above in case of any sudden pullbacks. And above all, I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, giving you reasons why we can easily see more than a 10x in this bull market. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. We started a very impulsive movement to the upside that has now peaked above the $0.2985, and there are high chances that whatever has formed over here is an impulsive Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And in the next coming hours, we are likely to see a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 2. And once we have a low in place for that Elliot wave count 2, I will be expecting another impulsive bounce to the upside in a wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. And if this is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, we should be able to find the minimum target areas for the second wave by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618 that lies between the 0.0245 and the 0.02322, which is the area that I have marked here on the chart. So in the next coming hours, in case we continue seeing this pullback over here, losing support above the 0.025, which is a very significant key area of support on the Vechain chart, I will be expecting that Vechain is going to fully maximize this target area over here, continue holding within the area, give us a reversal to the upside, and start another impulse to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect the wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in a wave 5. But if by any chance we get the breakdown move, losing our target area over here to the lower side, then I will be watching for further breakdown moves into support above the 0.02081. And if that continues to hold, there's a chance of another bounce back. But if by any chance we also lose that key area of support, then that will be suggesting a more bearish case scenario, which can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 4th of November below the 0.01903. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term on the Vechain chart. Jumping to the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.05524, completing the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for this wave 2. And in the next coming weeks or maybe months, we are going to continue seeing higher prices in an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 3 above the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $0.0866. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, a bounce to that target area will easily give us more than a 3x to the upside. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5, possibly giving us more than a 5x and maybe a 10x if we manage to get to our last previous highs. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.